Guys, this is so creepy. Guys, we gotta go. Guys, come on, guys.
We're playing.
Yeah, we are playing.
So we start first?
Yeah. Come on. Go.
Too high. Wait, now you gotta record ahead.
He is right there. The one riding the bike. He's right there. He's going to get me. Cut! 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 Let's go see the counters right there. Dude, I am so scared. Amigos! Wait for me! Guys, we gotta hide. So
Okay, let's go. Yeah, we have to hide.
guys, let's hide behind the car. Oh, I'm dead. He's coming over there. Oh. 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 This is so scary, guys. So scary. Gotta go. Amigos, come on. I gotta fight. I gotta go to harness. Come. Damn it, it's locked. Yeah, come. Get in the bushes. Yeah. Wait. Okay. Hurry up, dude. We are safe for now. We gotta rest.
Alright, we're safe.
Yeah. It's only me and it's only my brother. It's only our brothers.
Yeah.
Guys. Yeah, this is so creepy. That was a long
Run. Yeah.
Okay, should we go? Oh. Ah! Oh, there, come on! Go there. I'll go down. Go down. Yes, come on! Oh, shit. Come down. I don't see anyone. There it goes. Giggies!
Okay.